Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a familiar face from ABC News, Andrew Dymburt. He's gone from small market reporting to becoming a trusted national news anchor. But where is he now? And what is he doing today? Let's break it all down. Andrew Dymburt is an American journalist who built his career step by step, working his way from local stations to the national spotlight. After graduating from the University of Miami, he began reporting at News 12 networks in New York, before taking on roles at KOIN in Portland, Oregon, and then WSVN in Miami, Florida. His coverage ranged from crime and politics to community stories, and he quickly earned a reputation for his clear reporting style and strong on-camera presence. In 2020, Andrew made the leap to the national stage when he joined ABC News as a correspondent based in Washington, D.C. There, he covered politics, policy, and breaking national events, reporting live for programs across the network. His ability to handle high-pressure breaking news situations soon led to a promotion, bringing him to New York, where he began co-anchoring ABC's overnight and early morning shows. Over the years, Andrew Dymburt has covered some of the biggest stories of the decade. He reported on the Surfside condo collapse in Florida, bringing updates from the ground in a tragic story that gripped the nation. He's also been part of ABC's coverage of international crises, the death of Queen Elizabeth II, and U.S. politics, including elections and Capitol Hill reporting. Viewers know him for his calm delivery, even when covering chaotic and heartbreaking events. Where is Andrew Dymburt now? As of now, Andrew Dymburt is co-anchoring World News Now and America This Morning, ABC's overnight and early morning programs watched by millions of people starting their day. He also contributes regularly to Good Morning America, Nightline, and ABC News Live. Based in New York City, Andrew has firmly established himself as one of the network's reliable, go-to anchors for breaking news and major stories. From starting out in local newsrooms to waking up America every morning on ABC, Andrew Dymburt's journey is proof of how persistence and dedication can take you to the national stage. Today, he's not just reporting the news, he's shaping how millions of viewers first see the headlines of the day. What's your favorite story you've seen him cover? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Where Are They Now stories. Until next time, stay safe and stay informed.